thesis of Guruji himself. Because we all say, you know, like we are all forms of the Almighty. So there have been multiple instances where I have experienced that. Now, another thing that I would like to share is that when I was in my second year of engineering, Lonavala के कुछ श्रद्धालु एक यात्रा पे गए थे, which I couldn't attend. Like many other events that I've missed for all my prior personal commitments, this was one yatra that I missed. So the thing was that I had to choose between going to a camp which was organized by my college in the same week that ये यात्रा जिसमें होने वाली थी. I was really like in two minds कि मैं क्या करूं, because मुझे यात्रा पे भी जाना था सबके साथ और मुझे मेरा कॉलेज का कैंप भी नहीं मिस करना था, क्योंकि अगर मैं वो कैंप मिस करती तो अगले 7 महीने मुझे रोज कॉलेज के बाद 3 घंटा और एक्स्ट्रा काम करना पड़ता, विच आई डिडंट वांट टू डू, बिकॉज मैं रोज लोनावला से पुणे ट्रैवल करती थी एंड बैक अगेन टू लोनावला, सो दैट टाइम अकोमोडेशन वुड नॉट हैव बीन देयर. सो देन आई डिसाइडेड ओके फाइन, ऑल्दो आई वांट टू गो बट आई कांट, सो आई विल जस्ट स्किप इट. मम्मी पापा और मेरा भाई यात्रा पे चले गए with a lot of others. So somewhere that was always there in my heart, you know, like no, I wanted to go with everybody but I couldn't. So what happened is then there came this chance of giving this exam which was based out of Delhi, and the same train incident happened right then. So जब मेरा वो एग्जाम हो गया, प्लान हुआ कि इस टाइम पे हमें दिल्ली जाना है, which was in the month of May. So then my dad just got this thought saying that why not do one more yatra with another set of people, because once all of these people who had gone to that yatra in December came back and shared their wonderful experiences, a lot of other people were also very interested in doing a similar yatra with our fellow Guru Parivar members. So then he started all his back end work and हमारे साथ इस बार पूना के कुछ श्रद्धालु थे who joined us in Haridwar directly. So after that exam that I gave, me and my dad traveled from Delhi to Haridwar, and few others who came from Pune met us there, and we did the same yatra and we came back. So this is just, I think this was one thing that just played off really well कि मेरा जो वो मिस हो गया था वो भी मिल गया. एंड जब हम वापस लौटे और गुड़गांव पहुंचे तो वी मेट गुरुजी, एंड गुरुजी ने पूछा कैसा रहा तुम्हारा एग्जाम, रिजल्ट कब है, तो वो सब बातें हुई. एंड देन ही सेड तुम्हें बहुत मन से ये करना था, तुम्हारे वजह से 12 और लोगों का हो गया. सो दैट जस्ट स्टेड विथ मी फॉर एवर, एंड इट समवेयर taught me one thing, that if there is something that you really wish for, you just need to send it in the universe and it will happen.